This is a heat and temperature change question. So we're going to use the equation that our heat is equal to our mass times our specific heat capacity times delta T. Whenever we have three of these variables, we can solve for the fourth. In this case, we're asked to solve for our heat capacity, C. So first we'll solve this equation for C. We find that C is going to be equal to our heat, Q, divided by our mass, and delta T. We can get our delta T from our question statement. We know that delta T is equal to TF minus TI. In this case, 32.2 minus 27.0 degrees C, and it comes out to be 5.2 degrees C. Note on sig figs here that this is good to the tenths place, this is also good to the tenths place, so this number is good to the tenths place. For this number rounded to the tenths place, we have 2 sig figs. All right, so let's go back up to our problem. Our heat is 89.7 joules. Our mass, 33.0 grams. And our delta T is 5.2 degrees C. Our calculator answer is thus 0.52273. Units are joules per gram degree C. And looking at our sig figs, as we said before, this has 2 sig figs. Here we have 3. This is 3 sig figs. We're going to end up rounding up. So we have 0.523 joules per gram degree C as our final answer.